Alright, so the next thing that we're gonna do is install the parachute, or at least to stop biting her, or at least the bracket where it mounts. See what we got here. Alright, so this is the parachute we got. And that guy is gonna go here. So I guess the first thing that I'm gonna do is take off the rear bumper. Remove this bumper and then see what we got to work with. Alright, so this is what we're working with. We gotta go ahead and remove that crossbar and make my own for the parachute. Let's keep going. Now that I got these templates done, just gotta make them out of metal and start bending some tube. Alright, now that I got my two plates cut, drilled, and bolted in place, they fit perfect. Now I gotta start working on the tubes that come out and the one that comes across. Alright, here are my two pieces. They're about 4 inches long. And I'm gonna mark and cup them, fit it to the tube, and weld it. Alright, I got this tube fitted. is ready for welding. Alright, now that I got this piece of tubing cleaned up, I'm gonna mark it and start bending it. Okay, that's my piece. Now I gotta go weld it on the car. Well, this side is done. I'm gonna put you on the time lapse so you can see me weld the other side. It's coming out pretty good, pretty clean. I'm glad that I grinded those metals and got all the this black coating off of it, because that thing will make the weld look like crap. Okay, so this is my piece of tubing that's gonna slide inside of this one. Alright, so this is gonna sit on my crush bar. It's gonna have 2 holes in it for locking pins to go through, and that's what is gonna hold this in place when you slide it in. Alright, so this is what I mean. This is the piece I was talking to you about. I drilled the 2 holes in it. I chamfered the back to get welded like that. And then this is the piece that the parachute is going to mount on. And this basically just slides in here. Like so. See that? That way, if you want to remove the parachute, you just take it off, and this piece stays bolted to the car. There are 2 pins like this one that just slides through like this, and then gets hooked up like that. Alright, so now I gotta go ahead and mark where I'm gonna drill the hole and get to drilling. Alright, so I need to make a bracket where the parachute is gonna be held on the crush bar when it deploys. Kind of like the main cord gets attached to this bracket I'm gonna create right now. Okay, here it is. I got all the black rust protection off on this side. This one still has a little bit more, but that's gonna be to the inside, so I'm not to worry about that. This is the part that's getting welded. So now I gotta mark when I want to bend it. So this is pretty much what the end result is gonna look like. Gonna get welded here, and this is gonna have a sleeve on it so that the threads don't damage the parachute, and it gets bolted right there. Radius with a long piece in the bottom, and then it's scoped. As you see me do this a lot, so no reason for me to show you me doing this again. So now I'm just gonna go and tag it up on the car and bring it over and fully weld it. Alright, it's time to get this thing welded on here and get the parachute bolted. And just look at the way this looks. It's far out enough that I can still open my hatch. Looking good. Now we gotta test it. Alright, the last thing on the list will be these angle supports. on the corners for any type of downforce, and then some lateral out here, just like that, and then another one there. So weld those up, and that's it. It's done.